Today I want to show you how awesome the Vistabule galley is. In general, a lot of these teardrop trailers have an amazing galley. I had a van before this, and it's way more fun and way easier to cook and work your way around in this galley than in the van. First of all, that smoke and that food smell would get trapped in the van, in the fabric, in your sheets, and it would just stink for weeks, where here it just kind of goes outside. But it's very functional. A couple things that I do is obviously I keep a trash can handy, and I keep a mat, kind of a heat protective mat on the counter. Amazon. I also keep another heat protective mat on the stove here, just to kind of protect the stove, the glass, and keep things from sliding around. When I don't need it, I roll it up and put it away, which is easy to do. This, by the way, here is a feature that Vistabule puts in all the teardrop trailers now, which is the slider Dometic fridge. I used to have a fridge that went inside here. I guess they're having problems with. Now you can put the full Dometic fridge in there, full of food, which is great. And that works very well. Obviously, the Vistabule trailer has these sliders on the back, which works so well. Let me walk you through some of the other features of the galley. So also in the galley, in this compartment here, I keep my water and my platypus containers. I bought these at the container store, and they lock in here very well together. I can store stuff on top, store stuff underneath. I keep my soap in here, Simple Green, water, Windex, a drying mat over here, all kinds of little necessities down here. This is a trash can that I use to hold the water. Here's another trash can I use for actual trash. Again, as I showed you earlier, there's two switches here. Push these both out at the same time. You can pull out your fridge. This works really nice. I actually prefer this than the fridge that they used to put in the galley here in the back. This just works so much better. Another thing too, here's a little tip. So if you have a Vistabule trailer, you can see down there, this is one of those 3M tabs to hold the cord. What was happening was, as you slide this back, the cord was getting caught in the rails back here, the slider rails, and it was cutting the cord. So this was my solution to hold this up. So when I slide this back, can't see that there, but when I slide it back, it doesn't get caught in the sliders underneath there anymore and doesn't damage my cord. So that was the solution for that. Have these wooden panels that kind of close and open everything up. Drawers. Oh, the van that I had did not have drawers, so I love having drawers. Got 3 drawers here, small, medium, and then large. This is great. You also need Tupperware to put your extra food in. That's amazing. Silverware here to hold your silverware and other miscellaneous items. They usually put a wine rack in here, and I asked him not to put that in here because I don't drink wine, and I could put more things in here in a square space versus, I think there's 4 circles in here. So right now I just keep olive oil, some rags, my DOP kit, and some bags, but I'll put more stuff in there eventually. I've been here at the Tetons for 4 days or so, and I'm still at 3.34 volts. So there's definitely not a power issue with this trailer. This is the switch that cuts the whole power to the trailer, 110, a couple of 12-volt chargers. By the way, I had them not put USB ports in here, but instead cigarette lighters, because who knows, there may be something else besides USB-C, because I can buy this at Amazon and take this in and out. This is really small. I love these too. I'll put this in the link below if you're interested in these. And these will help charge. That's a USB-C and a regular USB charger. So I'd rather have cigarette lighters when they build this trailer instead of USB, because it's going to change and I don't want to replace them. This is the pump for the water. Over here I keep my canned goods, other kind of little condiments and things, salt and pepper for the kitchen, and a paper towel rack here. And people ask me all the time, does stuff fall out of here? Once it's packed, it does not fall out of here. This is the stove. This is a newer Dometic compared to what I had in my last trailer. So this is a beautiful stove in my opinion. Cooks very well. Little plastic thing here to hold my sponge. But here, this is something that sounds funny, but I found these sponges at a friend's house, and they have this kind of fabric, this non-scratch fabric, and then there's a sponge in the middle. They are awesome, super awesome. I buy them usually at Home Depot. You could buy them on Amazon. They're just, I don't know. I fell in love with the sponge. I take them camping. I use them at home now. This is just one cool little sponge there. I've got a sprayer, which I never use, and I have this handle for water. And this was a new thing they did to the newer trailers, and this is really, really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and start cooking my dinner. I wanted to give you kind of just a view of the galley. One thing Vistabule also added to their trailers is they put this hole in here so you can put clips in here. I guess people were complaining about these sliding when you're going down the road, so you can put clips in there. I never do that. I don't have a problem with these sliding, but one thing this does remind me that these are the middle because they all look the same, so I know that these ones go in the middle all the time because they have a hole in them. So that's the galley. I use these little rags, by the way, that I get from Costco just for everything. So I like having those around. I cut one of them. Here's a little tip. So these kind of wear out after a while, these rubber things I noticed. So I'm worried about the glass kind of scraping when I'm going down the road. So I put this down here like this. And anytime I drive, and put my glass top down and just throw it just like that, just for some added protection while I'm driving down the road. It lifts it up just a little bit and keeps it from scratching. So that's a little thing that I do just to kind of protect the glass and protect the stainless steel and everything else that's on here. I did get the spotlight in the back. I like that with the bendy arm. In my last trailer I didn't use that much. This time I used it a lot. And I also really like these pouches that come with the trailer. It's an extra add-on addition, but I put all kinds of things in here. Like there's a first aid kit in here. I got my bathroom stuff for my wife and I, and this other one here, sunblock, full-on razor, shaver, just towel for your face, all kinds of other things in here. And got a nice little mirror in there. This is, you always need space in a little trailer, so that works really good. I like those. I put a small carabiner on here. I hang my dish towel from here and some other things. Also has these wings on the side. I'm not going to pull them down right now, but if it's windy or the sun's coming in, you can put these bat wings, or also known as burnt wings, on the side here. And just kind of encloses this whole area and kind of gives you some protection from the elements if it's raining or if it's windy. I got some miscellaneous stuff down here. I probably need to clean this up. Wet wipes. Oh, you can't go anywhere without wet wipes. You need wet wipes there. So that's the tour of the galley. I'm going to go ahead and start cooking some things, like I said. But it's very functional. It's way easier to cook out of than my van. It's awesome. I love cooking outside. And what's so cool about the Vistabule trailer, I mentioned this several times before, and I'm not the first one to say it, but you live outside of it. Like, it forces you to be outside, out here, and enjoy all this stuff. Because when I had my van, I actually stayed inside so much more and just hung out. But this is just awesome because it forces me to cook outside. It forces me to be outside. I take a shower outside. All these other things that I do outside. So, and I love cooking outside. It's super fun and it's fast and it's so easy to clean up because I actually have space. Where in the van, I didn't have space to set things. By the way, I didn't tell you this. Speaking about space, this is really cool. My last trailer did not have this. This is a cutting board. And it's so beautiful, I wouldn't dare cut on it. So I have a cutting board that I put on here, but I use this just as an extra shelf to set things on. So they also have a cutting board that goes over the sink here, so that can give you some shelf space. So I got space here to set things here, set things here, and set things here. So when you have a little extra space, you can just clean up things so easily. So the galley is awesome. The Vistabule trailer galley rocks. All right, I think I'm finished cooking here. Got some chicken, broccoli, carrots, mushrooms, looking pretty good. I think I'm ready. Again, easy to cook in this galley, easy to clean. I've been cleaning while I've been waiting. Got my pans cleaned up. Got my GSI pans with the detachable handle. They work out really good. Let's go see what Greg's cooking over here. Greg's cooking on his stove. His 1-burner stove. Yours looks pretty good too, Greg.
Not gonna suck.
Got some veggies, a full chicken breast, and some potatoes. So, bon appetit. Bon appetit. Is that right? Bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Vistabule Gallery, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Vistabule Galley. And until next time, adventure often.